Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a newspaper in Canva. Whether it's for a school project, a community newsletter, or just a creative idea, Canva makes it simple to design a professional looking newspaper. Let's dive in. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the homepage and type newspaper. Canva will display a variety of ready-made templates designed specifically for newspaper layouts. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your project's theme. Whether you want something classic or modern, Canva has plenty of styles. Click the one you like, then select Customize this template. Inside the editor, start with the text boxes. Replace the placeholder text with your own headlines, articles, or captions. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors to give your newspaper the exact look you want. Next, customize the visuals. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's stock library. To enhance the layout, add borders, shapes, or other design elements that fit your theme. Take your time experimenting with layouts, fonts, and colors until everything feels polished. Canva saves your progress automatically so you can test ideas without worrying about losing your work. Once you're happy with the final design, click the download button. Choose PDF for printing or JPG and PNG if you're sharing your newspaper digitally. And that's it. You've just created your own newspaper in Canva. It's quick, fun, and gives you full creative control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other Canva tutorials for more design tips.